Hello there and thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be covering my final assignment for my game design class. So for the final project here, what I did is I was trying to create a bowling game. As you can see here, we have our ball, we have our pins over here, and then we have our TV model. So what I originally had planned for the TV model is I was going to add a scoreboard to it, but I wasn't exactly sure how to write on the TV model mesh. As I saw someone else was trying to do something else with their meshes for their final project. I think it was Allie, yeah, because she was trying to do like a cat model, but I wasn't sure how to go about putting a scoreboard on the TV model. And then also the ball over here. There's supposed to be like a texture on it, but I'm not exactly sure what happened. Like it doesn't seem to when I go onto it for some reason. Also, I was gonna set up a like a lane for the ball and the pins, but all the models I kept finding either had like the pins with the lane already, or had like a whole setup. Like I couldn't just find like the individual lane for some reason. And then other than that, if I come over here, if I hit A or D, we can spin the ball left or right. Because I was thinking about making kind of like how like in a I guess like in a regular bowling game you have like a left and right arrow, or you can spin the ball like in either direction basically. But if I hit B here, you can see that the ball rolls. You can also hit B and it speeds up the ball as well. Or if I hit left or right, you can also change the direction of basically which direction the ball rolls. So if I close that here and run this again. Give it a second here. Yeah, so if I roll the ball here into the pins, you notice that the pins they collide with the ball, but they seem to drop into the floor for some odd reason. I'm not exactly sure what happens with the pins, like why they keep falling to the floor. Because especially I was trying to make it so that the pins would just fall over like a normal, but if I do it, it seems to do this for some odd reason. But but other than that, that was everything I did for my final project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.